one of the things we intend to explore with this data source is to see if there's any correlation between the percentage of the different ethnicities and races in the general population and in the prison population. So we're going to create 6 calculated fields that show what percentage of the general population is non-Hispanic, Latinx, white, what percentage is non-Hispanic, Latinx, African American or black, and what percentage is Hispanic. And we'll do the same for the prison population. So we want to know, for example, the percentage of the prison population who is non-Hispanic, Latinx, and white. So I've opened up Power BI again on the data source that we just created, and I'm going to switch to the data view right? And what you now see is that I have a number of table tools available. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select new column to add the column that shows the percentage of the overall population that is white. And you see that in contrast to what we did in PowerView, we get a slightly more complicated formula here. So in the sense that it already allows me to add the column name here. So I'm going to call this percentage white overall. And then I can I type a single quote. That will give me all of the fields I have available. So what I want is the total white population, oops, yeah, divided by the total population. And I will calculate that. And that will give me the percentage of white overall. Now, it gives me a very large number of digits behind the decimal point, but I can change that fairly simply by, from the columns tool, go into the auto field and set the value to 3. So that will now give me only 3 decimal points, 3 points behind the decimal, 3 digits behind the decimal point. If I now want to go and add additional columns, then I need to go back to Table Tools and again use the new column option.